is an earthquake? An earthquake is where two tectonic plates slip past one another. The surface where they slip is called the fault or fault plane. Where the earthquake starts is called the hypocenter, and above it is called an epicenter. When does an earthquake occur? An earthquake occurs when the tectonic plates abduct, collide, spread, and slip against each other. Because of the friction, it creates pressure and it builds up, causing an earthquake to happen. Where does an earthquake occur? When tectonic plates shifts, it makes a movement causing an earthquake to take place. They often take place at faults because it is caused by the movement of the plates. How does it affect the people? Earthquakes have a major impact on the economy and the environment. It has a long-term effect on the health of those who are injured because of it. It can affect infrastructures and resources. What to do before an earthquake? Prepare an emergency kit. Make up a plan where to meet. Anchor heavy furniture on the wall. And prepare an emergency contact list just in case something goes wrong. What to do during an earthquake? Stay calm. Go outside and find an open area. When in a car, stop and stay inside. Don't use elevators. Wait for an announcement if it's safe to evacuate. Always remember to duck, cover, and hold. What to do after an earthquake? Check for any injuries and try to help other people who are injured as well. Listen to the radio. Stay out of damaged buildings and beaches. Do's. Stay calm. Make sure to keep an eye out for falling debris. Maintain emergency food and water. Find an open area. Stay away from windows, walls, doors, or anything that can fall. And lastly, help others in need. Do not panic. Do not stay where there are falling objects, and don't use a car and an elevator.